frequency of 162.550 megahertz. Serving listeners throughout much of east central Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. We broadcast from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Chanhassen, Minnesota, and transmit from the KSTP Eyewitness News Television Tower in St. Paul. The current time is 7:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Tornado Watch number 315 has been canceled for the following county: Scott, Minnesota. Tornado Watch number 315 remains in effect until 10 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota, Dakota, Goodhue, and Rice. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a tornado warning for north central Goodhue County in southeastern Minnesota, southwestern Pierce County, until 7:30 p.m. At 7:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Welch, or 8 miles west of Red Wing, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Red Wing around 7:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Vossa, Hager City, and Diamond Bluff. This includes Treasure Island Casino. This includes U.S. Highway 61 between mile markers 94 and 102. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from Tornado Watch number 315 remains in effect until 10 p.m. and now includes the following county: Pierce, Wisconsin. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.